Hi everyone, Kat here. Today I'm cooking some catfish. This is a small catfish that's been cleaned and cut into small pieces like this. Got some oil going on right here. You need some oil. I need some garlic, ginger, lemongrass, and kaffir leaves. Throw in the garlic. Some sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons sugar. Fish sauce. 2 tablespoons. Dark soy sauce. 1 tablespoon. Throw in our catfish. Lower your heat to low. Okay. And saute the fish with the sauce. MSG, 1 tablespoon. Also some chicken bouillon. This is optional. If you like it kind of tangy, add some tamarind, concentrated cooking tamarind. Is it too yellow? Is that better? Here is frozen young coconut juice. Okay, you will find it in the frozen section if you can find it. You just thaw it out and just use the juice, about half of it. And then we're just gonna let this simmer until the catfish is thoroughly cooked. Cover it. Alrighty, once the catfish is cooked, the sauce is thickened up a little bit. Okay, we're gonna add in some white onions and green onions. If you like your onions a little bit more cooked, you can certainly leave it in longer and let it simmer, but I don't like my onions cooked too much. So I'm going to turn off my heat, and this is done for me. Let's see. And voila! I don't really know what to call this catfish dish. Just gonna call it KrazyKAT's catfish. Myself a plate here. Let's see. Focus, camera. Okay. Let's have a taste here, shall we? Mmm. Yum yum. Mmm. Very easy, very simple. And delish too. Mmm. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe and share, and let me know what other videos you would like for me to make. Okay? Thanks for stopping by. See you next time. Bye.